Welcome to a deep dive into the complex history of Japan, a nation defined by innovation, tradition, and profound historical events. Japan is globally renowned for its cutting-edge technology and vibrant modern culture. But behind this modernity lies a dramatic history, shaped by centuries of tradition, military power, and the devastating shadow of war. Today, Japan is famous worldwide for its technological advances, cultural discipline, anime, and hypermodern cities like Tokyo and Osaka. However, Japan's past includes periods of intense war, widespread destruction, and military brutality that are crucial to understanding its national identity. Let's journey back to Japan's early history, marked by powerful military rule and a subsequent rapid drive towards modernization. For centuries, Japan was governed not by an emperor, but by shoguns, powerful military leaders who controlled the nation's political and military affairs. Later, Japan rapidly modernized, transforming its society and economy, and building a formidable military force designed for expansion and global power. The early 1900s marked a period of imperial ambition and brutal expansionism across Asia, culminating during World War II. Driven by a desire for more power and resources, Japan aggressively sought to expand its territory, invading regions including neighboring China and Korea. During World War II, Japanese forces carried out horrific military actions in occupied territories, resulting in massacres and the deaths of many civilians, while prisoners of war faced extremely harsh treatment. The conflict escalated dramatically, pulling global powers into the devastating war that spread throughout the Pacific region. The pivotal moment came in 1941, when Japan attacked Pearl Harbor, forcing the United States to enter World War II and widening the global conflict. As the war continued, Japanese cities themselves endured massive and relentless bombings, causing immense damage and loss of life. The war reached its horrifying conclusion with an event that would forever change the world and redefine Japan's history. Near the end of the war, the United States dropped atomic bombs on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. These explosions instantly killed huge numbers of civilians, destroyed entire cities in moments, and led to many more deaths later from radiation sickness. From the ashes of war and nuclear devastation, Japan began the monumental task of rebuilding, transforming its future. After surrendering in 1945, Japan focused on peaceful reconstruction, guided by a new constitution and a commitment to peace. Today, Japan is a peaceful, technologically advanced nation, respected globally for its contributions to culture, science, and economy. Despite its modern success, the memories of war, destruction, and nuclear tragedy remain a deeply connected, powerful part of Japan's history.